An idea that's been brewing in my head for I think a year and a half now is finally oozing out. This is one of the greatest ideas I have ever had in my life. It all started a long time ago when a company emailed me asking if I could test one of their robotic vacuum cleaners. I told them, "Can you send me 20 robot vacuum cleaners?" "Hi, William. Could I know the reason? Would you like to be an affiliate?" "I want to make crazy YouTube video like Mr. Beast." "It's a great idea, but 20 vacuums is too many for us. Sorry for this. Would you mind to cut the quantity?" "How many can you send?" And then I impatiently sent a follow-up without getting a response from them. "When will you send the robot vacuums?" To which they replied, "Hi, the most we could offer is 2 vacuums. Is it okay for you?" "I need big vacuum energy, not small vacuum energy. How about we meet somewhere in the middle? 19 vacuums?" That was me asking, not them. And then they never replied. A year and a half later, I said screw it and bought the vacuum cleaners myself. We ended up with 7. They're charging in the corner right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vacuum cleaners. Today is the day for the dream I've had for a year and a half to finally come to fruition. Look at the camera, it's not wide enough. I am so excited right now. You ready, boys? We got 7 fully charged robot vacuum cleaners. And 7 legendary contestants for this competition. That's right, I told everyone this was a competition. Welcome to the 14th annual robot vacuum competition. Can we have our contestants please step into the ring? Ian Hecox of Smosh, Jack Douglas of Jack's Films, Ian of iDubbbz, Gus Johnson of Gus Johnson, Michael Reeves of Michael Reeves, Cameraman John of William Osman, and William Osman of William Osman. There are 3 tasks our competitors will compete in today. Please step into the ring. Robot vacuum versus giant pile of breakfast cereal, robot vacuum battle royale, and robot vacuums versus 5 gallons of chocolate pudding. Honestly, it felt weird telling everyone to come over and fight pudding, so I told them it was a contest and that there would be many things we were doing. You guys understand? You understand? I would sound like a lunatic if I told them it was just chocolate pudding. So this is the 14th annual, but I'm not exactly sure how do we, we're gonna have, oh wait, I know what I'm gonna say. You don't pick the robots.
The robots pick you.
The robots pick you, and on top of each robot is a delicious sody pop. Most expensive vacuum cleaner to most disgusting soda, bubble gum, bacon, pickle, butter, ranch dressing, buffalo wing. Here we have barf flavor. No! We're all gonna stand together, huddled in a circle, and the first vacuum to touch you is yours. Cameraman John, you have a vacuum as well, so you have to stand in the circle. Start a vacuum cleaner and then stand up as quickly as possible. Rebooting? What is happening? Are you kidding me?
I guess this one's mine.
What'd you get, bubblegum flavor? That's pretty good.
Oh, sick.
What's that?
John, you get barf soda.
Actually, the initial taste is really bad, but then it goes down smooth.
Ian got bubblegum. Ian got bacon. William got butter. Michael got pickle juice. Jack got ranch dressing. Gus got buffalo wing. Cameraman John got barf. Can I try that one?
Yeah. Who's got barf?
Does it taste like? Does it
Tastes like mild.
Ooh.
That is like candy.
Jack, tell me about your iLife robot.
I don't know if I can say this legally, but we have one of these at home. And it served us well.
Is this one you threw on the ground really hard?
It sure is.
Gus, tell me about a D-Bot.
Yeah, so I got your standard D-Bot model, consumer available. She's got 2 brushes on the bottom, triple.
Family-friendly content doesn't contain swearing.
The classic D-Bot. Well, good luck, Gus.
Thanks, sir.
Ian, tell me about what you're cooking over here with your...
Yeah, this is iBot. Yeah, this sucks. I think mine's gonna do poorly. That's all I gotta say about this.
All right, well, good luck in the competition. Michael, tell me about your robot, your Pro Scenic V-Slam.
V-Slam.
Oh, 811 gigabytes.
Wow, that's a lot of gigabytes. Yeah, it's it kind of feels.
This is a cry for help. Bleeping words counts as swearing.
I'm really expecting good stuff out of this one.
Thank you for the words, Michael. Ian, also Ian. There's 3 Ians here.
Too many Ians.
Tell me, Tell me about Venso.
You know, they say like dog owners look like the dogs that they own.
Right.
I feel like
I am not swearing right now.
represents
My content is kid-friendly,
not quite a square.
but it is not made for kids.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
To the rest of the good luck to the rest of the competitors.
But you're supposed to be like you want to win, so you gotta trash them.
I'm rooting for everyone equally.
I got the no. Lofu Roba. I'm very excited because it has wheels. Are you guys ready for the first competition? Yeah. I made a huge pile of cereal in the middle of the arena. They taste like honey and they smell like nuts. And the vacuum who sucks up the most is the winner. That's it. That's what I came up with. I am a freaking genius. I know. Look at it, it's just eating them. This is like the most awesome hungry hippos I've ever seen. Yeah, I know. Get your hands out of the arena, Jack. The rules are you can't do anything. It's just the robot. It's like a bunch of puppies trying to eat dog food.
They look like beach sea turtles.
How do we know when it's over? 3, 2, 1. Pull it out. Pull out. It's completely filled. Everyone count your Cheerios up. I got 8.5. Did I? Damn it. Yeah, I do. Look, Michael's giving me half his and I'm still losing. Oh, John got a ton. We should start with the loser, and unfortunately that is me. Second to last place, Ian Hecox. Third to last place, iDubbbz. Fourth to last place, Gus Johnson. Third place, Jax Films. Second place, cameraman John. And first place, Michael Reeves. Michael is the winner. Wait, is there a prize? I don't really know how this works. I just got a bunch of ones out. Michael, congratulations. Most of these are for me, if that's your prize. How do we differentiate between the Ians? Ian 1 and Ian 2?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Who's
Ian 2?
The next challenge is a robot vacuum battle royale with balloons on the back and a knife taped to the front. And the last robot with balloons is the winner. Each contestant gets to pick a kitchen knife in order from loser to winner. That means I get to pick the first knife, and Michael gets to pick the last knife. I'm picking this one. Should we test it out?
Yeah, I would like to get the big one, I think. Yeah, I want to start stabbing.
I don't like this. He's got that look in his eyes.
You don't want it to be too top heavy.
Right.
You want that even weight distribution.
You're saying that this ain't gonna do damage?
I think serration is really key for this
You
shit.
can get anywhere on
Yeah,
the
like
edge.
you can catch if it's turning.
How do you feel about this competition?
I feel good because I used all of my keys.
Oh, I'm very much enjoying it.
This
Yeah,
is-
it
I
brings
don't
me
have to-
back to
I
my
am not swearing right now.
Yeah, this is badass. This is gonna play out exactly as it would in real life. The last person to survive is the one who would survive in real life.
I'm not gonna question.
You're gonna die.
Well, thank you very much for that, Ian. How you doing? Thumbs up. All right, don't need to put the microphone next to that. Everyone has taped weapons and 3 balloons to the top of their robot. And Michael taped a blowtorch to the top of his. That is cheating, but we had a vote and everyone agreed it would probably look super epic, and so we let him do it. You're welcome, Michael.
Your robot is looking kind of abysmal, so as the first place winner of last round, I'm gonna offer you a special weapon.
Thank you, Michael. Yeah! Go! Wait. Oh! What?
You put oxygen in a
What? Who did that?
flammable as shit!
No!
We'll relight it with your taser.
Oh no, mine never turned on.
No, we need it.
No. Oh yeah. Where are my balloons? Did you explode all my balloons with the fire? I'm out. What's the point? I'm coming for you, Ian.
Oh, that was fun.
He just popped his own balloon. Oh God.
Go, Torch, go!
Yeah. Take that, Jack. No. Did I just pick those balloons up? Are those my balloons now? I have new balloons. Yes. Oh no! I think Gus is the winner. Congratulations, Gus. Congratulations on the big win.
Whoa, thank you.
You're very welcome. If our current landlords saw this, I just want to let you know we did not mean for those balloons to catch on fire. We had 2 fire extinguishers. We had one here, one there, and a bottle of water. Everything's fine. Thank you for your understanding. First try.
For reference.
Welcome to a special segment. Today we're
Michael and
cooking.
William. Today we're making pudding for robots.
And we also have another guest and another guest. Please tell me your name, sir.
My name is Gus. Jack Cox.
For today's recipe, you're going to need a bucket and pudding.
I was promised chocolate. What's this butterscotch?
So
I'll take the butter.
The first step of this recipe is to add 2 packages.
Are we gonna get asphyxiated by this dust cloud of the pudding?
If you or a loved one. And a paint mixer, a pudding mixer.
Drill at the same time. Yeah. Oh, wow.
I don't know what you got planned,
I
man.
have 10% of a flare. All right, it's main event time. 7 robot vacuum cleaners versus 5 gallons of chocolate pudding. I'm about to ruin this carpet.
So you're gonna try to flip it as fast as possible.
I was thinking of just pouring it and just seeing what happens. I know it doesn't matter, but I'm very nervous to pour this all out. There's no undo. There's no control Z. It's done. Does it matter? No. Am I intimidated? Yes. Oh my god. For this challenge, everybody's a winner. Everyone's a winner, including you. Because who does not want to see 7 robot vacuum cleaners versus 5 gallons of chocolate pudding? Go! Go! It just went right through. Oh my god. Oh, look at mine's not happy. Dude, what the hell? One of them's got like a siren noise. Wow, mine is completely stuck. Michael, you can see the path that it's tracing out to clean. Wow.
Persevering.
Come on.
It's like watching a snowplow. So the last robot running is... Now I'm just gonna turn one off and then say that, Jack, you're the last robot operating. You are the winner. Let me get your prize. You want chocolate or no chocolate on it?
I want extra chocolate on it, please.
Right on George Washington.
Just really soak it up in there, sir.
Look, he's got chocolate.
There
on
it is. Hey, thank you very much. Hey. Oh, wait. Wait, give me that back.
Okay, you give it back again.
There's a second time for everything.
God, mine has like 0 pudding in it.
Look at it oozing from the bottom like an oil leak.
Mine has like 0 pudding in it. Yes. Oh, yours is completely. Oh, God.
Wait a minute.
Yours is really full too. Whoa! Why mine has 0 pudding in it?
Oozing.
Yo, anyone want some?
Yeah! Look at John. Look at bone dry. Mine is bone dry. And that concludes Robot Vacuum Challenge 2019, where everybody's a winner. Can I get a round of applause?
Yes, good job. We cleaned it.
We did it.
Our robots did their job.
We'll see you next time in 2020 Robot Vacuum Competition, and then we salute the camera at the end, and National Anthem plays. I think this is it. Ooh, this is nice. It's sort of therapeutic. Come on in, the pudding's fine.
Yes.
Bye.